are you doing, everyone? Welcome back to Vintage Cars Ireland, and today we're going to take a break from the Mazda and we're going to do a bit of a walk around of my daily car, a Peugeot 106 GTI. All I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bit of a walk around, tell you what's been done to the car by the previous owner and by me, what it's like to drive it as a daily car and what the plans are for the car in the future. If you do want to just see a bit of driving, skip towards the end of the video where I take it off for a drive. The car is decatted, so you'll hear some lovely exhaust notes if you do that. So the paint on this car is called Diablo Red, and it is powered by a 1.6 litre 120 brake horsepower engine. With regards to the future of the car, I still haven't decided what I'm going to do. I've driven it for a full year and I have really enjoyed it. Pretty comfortable, really clean interior. I'm going to see how it handles for maybe another year, and maybe I'll move it on or maybe I'll store it, we'll see. But again, the interior is really clean, no rips in those seats, really good condition. Now, if I'm not mistaken, the engine has been upgraded by the previous owner, which has gotten upgraded, I think it's called a JB4 head, which essentially just has bigger valves, and we have that cold air intake on the car as well. Next, I'm going to bring you around to the brakes of the car, which have been upgraded with the Peugeot 206 bigger brakes, and these stop really well. The car is so light that these bigger brakes really do give it that extra bit of stopping power. And you can see that the paint of the car is pretty good for its age. It is a 26-year-old car. It's only, what, 4 years off vintage? 3.5? By the time I'm done driving it this year, it'll be very close to being a vintage car. But it does shine up really well. I gave it a quick wash before the video. There are Michelin tires all around this car, and they do grip really well when you are going around those corners at speed. We have the GTI badges there, and there's one in the back as well, I believe. And we also have the Craig Green sticker. So yeah, the car has aged really well. Just looking at the sun is being kind to me here, but the car does look really well. You will notice some dents. I mean, it is again a 26-year-old car, but for its age, it does look really well. There is a sunroof in the car, which is quite a nice thing to have in those summer days, and we're going to bring you around to the back of the car. And there are aftermarket headlights installed. I did have the standard ones, but I thought these ones just cleaned up a little bit better. The old ones were quite faded. There is also a decast exhaust, which you will hear, and it does sound absolutely fantastic. Good few pops and bangs comes out of it. As a daily, you do have to sacrifice a little bit of comfort and a little bit of convenience as you would with a modern car, but it really is worth it if you want something that's a little bit more fun. So we're going to take it for a drive and just see how it handles on the road.